At the beginning of the choreography, I have guests on my right. Just like my partner, I take 4 steps. Remember not to stand too far apart and to meet approximately in the middle of the dance floor. If we are about to take 4 steps forward, it will also be too big, so as not to get too close to the guests. I start with the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hold my partner's hand, but I don't do it before him. I wait for his hand to appear and place mine on it. Then we go 4 steps forward. I start with the right leg, but if you start with the left, it doesn't matter at this point in the choreography. We look at each other. 1, 2, 3, 4. When my partner comes to me, I can move my hips left and right. Then I turn to the right side, starting with my right leg. Right, left, right, and I put my feet together. I return to my partner from the left leg. I have to keep my right hand over our hands that we are holding. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I am in front of my partner, additional beats can be heard in the music. Up to this point, everything that came before doesn't have to be at a specific point in the music, but now we're starting to pay attention to it.